As an enterprise, you know the power of Salesforce in storing customer data and managing customer documentation. But your business is swamped with numerous contracts and documents needing complex templates and is tied down by IT dependencies. So, how can enterprises generate precise, compliant documents without getting lost in this maze of complexity? Introducing DocFusion for Salesforce. DocFusion integrates seamlessly with Salesforce and any other enterprise software you use and automates your enterprise document generation processes. DocFusion uses data from any enterprise system mapped with a no-code, drag-and-drop rules engine and template authoring tool that allows you to create repeatable fields, optional fields, graphs from data, and more, based on the business rules that you can define in your template. DocFusion has a centralized enterprise template repository to manage all your document templates with version control and role-based access. DocFusion for Salesforce. Configure your document automation processes in Salesforce and seamlessly integrate data into your templates. Fast, easy, accurate, compliant. DocFusion. Make it matter.